Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
My name is Megha. May I know your name, please?
My name is Dildar Ajak.
Mm-hmm. Oh, Dildar. Such a beautiful name. Where are you from?
I am from Assam.
Assam. Okay. And what do you do?
Yes.
What do you do? Your profession or
So,
your student?
actually, uh, I have completed my graduate this year.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
Okay. Okay.
um,
In which subject?
um, I graduated in pharmacy. In pharmacy,
Okay. B Pharma?
B Pharma.
Okay. That's nice. So now do you have your own medical shop or something?
Mm, I'm going to set up my own medicine shop.
When are you planning to set it up?
Uh, in 6 months.
All the best. Is it going to be in your own hometown or are you planning to go to a different city?
No, no, in my hometown.
Okay, hometown. All right. So, from how many years have you been living in Assam?
Uh, it's my birthplace,
Oh,
Assam.
okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Karnataka. Currently, I'm living in Bangalore.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah. So, nice. So, what do you like to do in your free time? What is that one activity that brings you a lot of happiness and peace and joy?
In my free time, uh, I do watching YouTube videos or uh, learn something from that.
Yeah.
Uh, Actually interested learn new things.
Okay. What
Mm.
kind of new things?
What I means self improvement, like
Mm-hmm.
speaking in English
Yeah.
or communication.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Okay, so all about English and English. Apart from English, before this English came into your life, this English study came into your life, what did you used to do? Like, what was your hobby that time?
Uh, in my college, I
It
wasted so
could be any sport or any activity. Go on.
uh, activity. I used to go to gym
Uh,
uh, or
mhm,
uh, I used to play cricket.
mhm.
That's it. And
Oh, that's good. That's quite impressive, I must say. So, cricket and gym, etc. Were you very like disciplined about it?
sorry, ma'am.
Were you very disciplined when you were going to the gym? Like, did you go every day? Disciplined.
No, no, no. Now I'm at home and I I'm not able to manage my uh, like that going to gym, play cricket. I can't manage that now.
Okay, I'll ask you the question again. Okay, listen carefully. Were you disciplined when you used to go to the gym? This is about past tense. Were you? WERE. Were in the past tense. Okay, that means when you used to go to the gym in your college, that time were you regular?
Yes, yes. That time I was regular in gym,
Mm-hmm.
and I was not regular in playing cricket, but I was
Hmm.
regular in gym.
Hmm.
And I wasted so many times in playing PUBG, like video games.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Great. So, are you in touch with your friends now, college friends?
Yeah, not so much, uh, not so many friends, but I have few friends
Yeah.
which are attached till now.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. And today's topic is self improvement, right?
Mhm.
So, before that, I will ask you another question. What is more important for you in life? Is it more important to be happy or is it more important to be successful?
Sorry, successful or happy?
Happy, yeah.
Uh, I think happy is the best option because uh, because whenever we go uh, in in what situation we stay, but we have to happy. Happy makes us uh, sorry.
Go on, it's okay. Happiness makes us. Happy is an adjective. Happiness is the noun. Okay. So you're supposed to say happiness makes us. Okay.
Hmm.
Go on.
And successful, everyone needs successful with and everyone want to be a successful person, but uh, I think
Mhm.
not everyone happy. I think not everyone happy.
Mm.
uh, um, One who is happy but uh, he is not. I i can't make a sentence, but
Calm down. Calm down. Speak slowly. Okay. Calm down. Just take a pause for 2-3 seconds. Think in your mind and then you speak. It's okay. I'll wait. Okay. So, yes.
I think every
Go
successful
on.
person is
What
not
were you
happy.
trying to say? Mm-hmm.
I think every
Very
successful
good.
person is
Yeah,
happy.
that is true.
Uh,
Yeah.
and
Yes, you're
I
right.
think
You might have. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
who is not successful in their life, but they're happy in their, but they're happy. But whatever they have, but they're happy in their life.
Yeah.
And uh, if we uh, if we run behind success, it takes our happy.
It takes our happiness.
It takes our happiness. Sorry.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes. Very
that's it.
good, Dildar. Excellent. Excellent answer. Very beautifully put. Okay. So give yourself a pat on the back.
Giman?
Give yourself a pat on the back. Pat on the back means congratulate yourself for speaking so well. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. But I'm trying to improve more.
Yeah, you can improve, but whenever you perform well, you should appreciate yourself, right? Earlier, you said that I don't know, I'm not able to speak, but then when you calm down and you organized your thoughts, see how well it came out, right? That is the trick to English speaking. You have to think before you speak. Of course, you need to have vocabulary, which you have. You pretty much explained everything, right? So, but the most important thing is to speak in a calm way, not to get overexcited and carried away. Right? It's important
Yeah,
to
yeah.
be calm. So that is the biggest advice to you when you're talking. Be calm and collected, and then talk. Okay. So that time you give the best answers. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All right. And if not pharmacy, okay, if not a pharmaceutical shop, what other business would you like to start?
Mm, I have plenty idea that I can
Mm-hmm.
start, but
Mm-hmm.
uh, uh, there is one thing.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, if we uh, uh, run behind so many things,
Yeah.
it's
Mm-hmm.
uh, it's not good for us. We have to consider. We have to focus on one thing before we start.
Mm-hmm.
I think uh, I think when I will start. Sorry. I think uh, when I start
Mm-hmm.
my pharmacy, then I will start another
Yeah.
uh, business along with it.
Okay. Okay. Good. So excellent. Again, a very good answer. Yeah. It's always important to focus on one thing, right, instead of multiple things.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. It's important to focus on one thing rather than
Yes.
multiple things.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah. Yes.
So this year, by the end of this year, what is that one skill you want to improve?
I think it will be self improvement.
Hmm.
I think it will self improvement. Uh,
Hmm.
uh, I'll improve my speaking. I will focus on my fluency,
Hmm.
uh, and that should be going.
Okay. Apart from English, is there nothing else that you want to be good at? Any sport, any hobby, and nothing else, only English?
Actually, I have no any other hobby like playing, uh, uh, um, hang out with
You
friends.
don't have any other what? Sorry?
I am saying
Mhm.
I
That is
have
hobby.
not
I'm asking. Hmm. Hmm.
hobby. Uh,
Hmm. Okay. All right. Okay, fine then. So I'll just quickly come to the feedback part of it, all right? And please listen carefully. The first feedback to you would be to speak slowly and calmly, all right? Like I think you can see the difference between the first 5 minutes of your speech versus the next 10 minutes when you started speaking slowly, right? In all your future sessions on Clappingo, you must speak slowly, okay? Think before you speak. Got it?
okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Got
this is
it.
the first feedback. And second, please don't say sentences like I have not any hobby, I have not any money. No, I don't have. It is as simple as that. I don't have a hobby. I don't have your wallet. I don't have your keys, etc. Don't start with I have not. Okay, I have
I
not
know.
means मैंने नहीं किया है. Got it?
I
I have
know
not.
tenses. I know
It's
that
not.
tenses.
It's not tenses I'm talking about. The word choice. Your tenses are fine. Okay. Instead of saying I have not hobby, you're supposed to say I don't have a hobby.
Yes.
Got it? Yes or no? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, wonderful. And second, I had completed my graduated. No, I had completed my graduation, right? So your introduction you have to be very good at, because this is one question that people will ask you all throughout your life. Every time you meet somebody new, so they will ask you like, give me a small introduction of yourself. Any interview, any new person. So your introduction has to be good. My name is Dildar. I am from Assam. I have completed my graduation in pharmacy. Okay, in bachelor's in
Okay.
pharmacy or B Pharma. Okay, so these three sentences have to come out perfectly. Okay, there is no scope for making mistakes in this. Introduction has to be good. Okay, so today after this session, I want you to prepare a good intro of yourself of 4 or 5 sentences. My name is Dildar. I am from Assam. I have completed my graduation in pharma, and my hobbies are, learning English, and going to the gym and playing cricket. So
Okay, ma'am.
okay, so prepare a good introduction. That is it. Your tenses are fine. There are no mistakes. There were no mistakes in your tenses. So good job. Okay.
I'll do my best in next season.
You must, you must. Okay. And lastly, I actually interested to learn new things. No, I am actually interested. Okay. So I am actually interested. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So if you want to say कि मेरा कोई hobby नहीं है, so it's not I have not any hobby. I don't have any hobby. um, मुझे apples पसंद नहीं है. I have not like apple. No, I don't like apples. So as simple as that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
That is it. All right, Dildar. It was very nice talking to you. If you have any questions for me, please let me know.
Ma'am, I don't have any question like that, but uh, I okay, ma'am. That's it. Uh, I'm feeling nervous, but I'll
Why are
try
you
my best.
feeling nervous? It's not this. It's just a normal, like, conversational classes, right? It's not school or college or anything. So that, and I hope I'm not intimidating you. I've tried to be as friendly as
No, no, no.
possible. Yeah. Okay, so fine. Try to get a hold of the nervousness and prepare any questions. If you have any queries, not just with me, any other trainer, if you have, before the session, write it down and come to the class. Okay, so that you can um, uh, quickly ask it. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Dildar. All the best to you for your English speaking journey, and I hope to see you again. You're a great person to speak with. So take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.